Hi everyone, and welcome back to James. I got myself a new action camera. I ordered a GoPro Hero 7. Let's open it, baby! Yeah! Ooh! Tellison multifunctional 3-way. It's a hand grip. Okay. And here it is. GoPro Hero 7. And I ordered silver? I think I ordered silver. Yep, silver. Okay. Wait a minute. Was this opened before? Maybe Customs opened it. Made for iPhone, iPad. Everyone talks about GoPro, and GoPro cameras are expensive. That's why I've never bought one. Well, now I have. Look what you get. You've got two different mounts, one round and one squarish, and a charging cord. It's multi-language. Anyway, this is the manual, and hopefully it's in English. It is not in English. This looks like Italian. Okay. I can't read this. Step 1. Lift this. Step 2. Push these and slide it out. Ta-da! Wait. Here it is. My very first GoPro. This should release the case. It's much sturdier than my other action cameras. I'm going to remove this film. Nice and clear. What if I press this button? Oh, this is the power button. And look. GoPro. Oh, wow. Language? Let's look through the languages. Oh, I love this. It's a touch screen. It's very sensitive. So there's so many languages. This is Japanese, Chinese, Italian, Dutch. Okay, I want English. Perfect. Legal stuff. Yeah, I'll just agree. GPS. Creates the location where your videos and photos are taken. Okay. Install the GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. Leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. Okay. I'll do that now. Excuse me for a minute. Off camera, I downloaded the GoPro app. We found your GoPro. Connect. Bluetooth pairing request. Okay, I'll just save it. Camera update available. Sure. I need to update the software. Tap the buttons on the screen to know your camera. Let's do this one, 4K. Okay. Shoot 4K. Ooh, shoot ultra high resolution videos for sharp, professional results. 15S. Short clips. Slow-mo. Touch zoom. Okay. And there's 53% battery power. No SD card. Ooh, okay, you slide it like this. You have camera. This is camera mode. Oh, if I press that, it clears everything. Press it again, everything comes back. Burst. Photo timer. Wow. Camera mode. It's in video camera mode. 4K on. Short clips. The snail, slow motion. Okay, I'll leave it on 4K. Time-lapse video. Okay, let's go back to video mode. Okay, how do we update? Slide down, and this is what you get. Preferences. Voice control. Beeps. Quick capture. Screen lock. Okay, voice command on. Preferences. Connections. Defaults. General. Touchscreen. Okay, lots of selections. Voice control, touchscreen, regional, about, reset. Okay, what if I do this from bottom up? No media. Okay, sliding it from bottom to top, the media. In this case, there's no media. Okay, where's the settings? General. Date. Yep, it is September 3rd, 2019. The time is 2:46. That's correct. Date format. No, I don't need to. Where is the update? How about GoPro? Oh, here it is. GoPro updates. The password is share1132. Agree. Off camera, I found the door that has the charging port. How to open this? By pressing this downward. This opens up. You have a USB charging port and a micro SD slot. And I went ahead and put a 32 gigabyte micro SD card. So the cord would go in like this, and the USB would be plugged into an adapter, which didn't come along with this. The next thing I'm going to do is test the GoPro outside tomorrow. Stay tuned.
Wow! Would you look at the quality? It is so clear. I'm truly impressed. Wow. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye.